All right, today's video I want to talk about the number one safety feature that you can either add to your motorcycle for a couple $100 or you ought to look to get as a standard feature on your next bike purchase. This safety feature was found by the IIHS to reduce fatal accidents by 37%. It is the number one safety feature. Never even thought about it in my mind until I read this article discussing it. It's something that we take such advantage of and don't even think about in our regular everyday vehicles. And quite frankly, it's something that's not offered very often on motorcycles. Back in the day, wasn't offered at all. Now it's starting to be offered more and more, but we still see it mainly on the higher end bikes. But again, it's something so cheap to just add to your current bike. Or if you're out there in the market for a new one, see if they have it as a standard feature or if they'll add it for you cheaply as part of your purchase. And that feature, you may have guessed it by now, ABS brakes. Of all things, ABS brakes. Such a reduction in first fatal accidents and really severe accidents. And they say the reason is because the ABS brakes, naturally, they provide for more stability when you're having to apply the brakes in emergency style. A lot of bikes, once you do that without ABS brakes, you're going to lose the steering functionality and you're going to have to lay that bike down. One of the biggest ways this can help is the biggest type of accident that we see out there on the roads in Georgia is a car turning in front of you as you're driving down the road. They don't see you. You got to lock up that brake. What oftentimes happens is that causes you to flip. It causes you to have to lay the bike down because you can't control it as you're slamming on the brake to try to avoid that vehicle that's cutting in front of you. ABS brakes, number one feature. Go out and get it. Get it for your bike now. Get it for that new bike. Very important. If you have any questions or concerns about your particular motorcycle issue, I might be able to direct you to somebody. Maybe I can answer it if it has anything to do with law-related things or safety issues. Feel free to reach out to me, 770-744-0890. Happy to talk to you. You can also get my contact information if I'm out in court or somewhere else on my website. There's a contact form. It will shoot me an email. I can get with you quickly if I'm out on the road. That website is spauldinginjurylaw.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.